This disaster is going to be a landmark event. 5 feared dead in unprecedented Harvey floods as 1,000 people are rescued and residents now brace for storm's second catastrophic phase. 2 people have been reported dead in Houston and another 3 are feared dead in Aransas County. The Category 4 hurricane has been downgraded to a tropical storm, but the fresh concern is flooding. In Houston, residents are climbing to their attics to escape rising floodwaters in the floors below. Emergency services completed more than 1,000 rescues across the state overnight on Saturday. One woman's body was seen floating down the streets and entire coastal communities have been wiped out. The National Weather Service predicts another 50 inches of rain will fall and tornado warnings are in place. FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, said it would take several years to recover from Harvey. Donald Trump celebrated the response from emergency services who have so far rescued thousands. He vowed to visit the state once it was safe and said the good news is there is talent on the ground. Local authorities say the catastrophe is only now unfolding and others warn the agony has just begun.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.